Today, we'll show you how to make delicious coffee using a French press coffee maker. Step 1. Gather your supplies: freshly roasted coffee beans, a coffee grinder, a timer, a kettle, and your French press. Step 2. Grind your coffee to a coarse consistency. Step 3. Heat water to just below boiling. Step 4. Add coffee grounds to your French press and pour in hot water. Step 5. Stir, place the lid on, and steep for 4 minutes. Step 6. Press the plunger slowly and steadily. Step 7. Pour the freshly brewed coffee into your mug. Enjoy a perfect cup of French press coffee. And there you have it, a French pressed coffee.